I'll show you how easy this project is to make using these molds from Amazon. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, water-like droplet river. It's very cool. So firstly you want to mix up your river pool resin. This resin is a 2:1 ratio. It's from Just Resin in Australia and it's done by weight. So you want to make sure that your resin is properly mixed together. Then you're going to add in your basic ink, and I'm using Ocean Blue from Just Resin in Australia. So the more drops you put in, the darker your resin project will be. I like to keep mine quite transparent so that the light shines through it. Now you want to make sure that your mould is nice and clean, and then just pour in your resin mix. So then you want to go over it with the heat gun just to help release any bubbles. Then I cover my project and I leave this to fully cure, which is usually between 5 and 7 days. Once it's fully cured, you can carefully remove it from the silicone mould. And it reveals a really pretty basic ocean style ripple effect. So I mounted this in a frame and I raised it slightly off the backing board with little resin beads. This helps to get the light behind the resin and created a more dramatic water effect, especially in the sunlight.